Hello biology, this is an introduction to the nitrogen cycle STEM case. It's been a while since we've done a STEM case, so I'm going to walk you through some of the basics and then you'll be good to go. Just like any STEM case, you're going to have an order to follow. At some point it will direct you over to the handbook to answer those questions. And this one is looking at the nitrogen cycle. So most of us are pretty familiar with the water cycle and maybe even the carbon cycle with carbon cycling between photosynthesis and plants turn it into sugar. Humans eat that sugar, and then as their body respirates, they produce that carbon dioxide, so they're releasing carbon back out, which the plants take up, and it's a cycle. Nitrogen is a lot harder to see the impact of that cycle in our ecosystem, and so that's why we are focusing on that one with the STEM case. The interesting thing about nitrogen is we need it to live, but it is very difficult for our bodies to get if this cycle is not happening as it should, which you're going to see the exact situation of what could happen with that. So you're going to be a doctor in this simulation, and you are going to treat sweet, sweet Jennifer, who's having some troubles, and it will show you her patient history here, and as you click through, you'll get more information. I've kind of skipped through to make this shorter for you. But we notice that at this point she has trouble breathing, she's been taken to the hospital, and she has kind of a bluish hue to her, which means she is not getting enough oxygen, and that can be very scary for a baby. So you'll walk through the samples, you'll start doing some research. You're going to notice there's lots of cases, and it will direct you over to the handbook to explore what is the nitrogen cycle. This goes in more detail than we learned in class. Try your best, but no, it does not have to be perfect, but this is adding to your learning from lesson 7.2, not in place of. So definitely don't skip this part. This is how you're getting those last final details on the nitrogen cycle. Just like any STEM case, as you go through and answer questions, it will save your answers, so you don't need to put them anywhere else or click save. It automatically collects them. You'll work through, always going in rainbow order, and when you're done here in the handbook, it will direct you back to the case, and then you'll finish up here. So it's kind of giving you the background information you need to be able to answer the rest of these questions. All right, I believe that is it. If you have any questions, please contact me, and I'm happy to work through this one together with you.